Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'll show you how to fix an error occurred on Discord and explain some quick fixes to get Discord working properly again. Step 1. Restart everything by fully closing Discord and checking Task Manager to make sure no Discord processes are still running. Restart your computer and confirm your internet connection is stable because temporary glitches or network issues often cause this error. Step 2. Check for updates by making sure Discord is updated to the latest version and your graphics drivers are also current. Updates fix bugs, improve compatibility, and can resolve common errors automatically. Step 3. Run Discord as administrator by right-clicking the Discord icon and selecting Run as Administrator. This gives Discord the required permissions and helps fix errors caused by restricted system access. Step 4. Disable overlays or antivirus software temporarily by turning off in-game overlays in any firewall or antivirus protection. These tools can sometimes block Discord features, so disabling them briefly helps identify if they are causing the problem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tech tutorials.